Welcome to channel. See here how 0 by 0 equals to 2. How to say which is correct or not? How to solve the problem? So there are so many tricks are there in mathematics, which is not a limit one, which is unlimited. Mathematics is not unlimited, so there is so much knowledge is there in mathematics. So many tricks are there in mathematics. Yes or not? So how it is possible? It is possible or not? See here. For example, 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Okay. Also, 2 minus 2 equals to 0. 3 minus 3 equals to 0. 4 minus 4 equals to 0. You know that. In this way, any number subtract from itself, that is 0. Z minus Z equals to 0. You know that. This is well-known property. But how to do this? Simple logic. For example, take 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Root 2 square minus root 2 square equals to 0. Why? Because 2 is nothing but root 2 square. You know that. Square root of this. Yes or not? Now, 2 minus 2 by 2 minus 2. Yes or not? That is 0 by 0. Is correct or not? Yes, right. 2 minus 2 0. 2 minus 2 also 0. Okay. Now, I will take 2 as root 2 square. Root 2 square minus root 2 square by root 2 square minus root 2 square. Anything wrong? No, nothing wrong. By the algebra, a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. You know that this is the property in algebra. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. Okay. Now I write this as in this form. That means a plus b means root 2 plus root 2 into a minus b means root 2 minus root 2 by another property is there in algebra, that means a square minus a square equals to a into a minus a. Yes or not? A into a minus a. You know that. By using this formula, I common root 2 minus root 2. Yes or not? You know this cancel. Root 2 minus root 2, root 2 minus root 2 cancel. Root a plus root a equals to root a. By this formula, 2 root 2 divided by root 2. Root 2 root 2 gets cancelled, is nothing but 2. Therefore, 0 by 0 equals to 2. That's all. So, this is very important in mathematics. 0 by 0 equals to 2. Okay, take another example. Now, take another number or a digit, what it is. I'll take as some 64. 64 minus 64 divided by 64 minus 64. Anything wrong? No, nothing. Because this minus this 0, this minus this 0. Now, square root of 64 is nothing but 8. Yes? So, I write this as 8 square equals to 64. Okay? Okay. Now, I get this as 8 square minus 8 square by 8 square minus 8 square. Nothing wrong. Now, already you know by the algebra, a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. According to that formula, 8 plus 8 into 8 minus 8 by same common 8 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8, 8 minus cancel. 16 divided by 8, nothing but 2. Therefore, 0 by 0 equals to 2. That's all. Take any number or a digit, gets definitely 2. Yes or not? So guys, please follow this trick. Take another digit or a number. If you need a doubt, please comment below. In mathematics, there are so many tricks are there. And another trick I will tell in future classes. So guys, follow these tricks. For more updates, please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.